Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to learn English or how to learn other language. To learn the language, we have to identify what side of the brain we are using. To identify, we have to conduct an experiment. So, example, if you are using the right side of the brain or left side of the brain, and you have to identify what side of the brain you are prefer to use, and basically the left-handed persons are using the right side of the brain and the right-handed person are using the left side of the brain. So in order to identify the side of the brain that we are going to use, is you have to conduct the experiment. Let's go for the experiment direct. Imagine that you are going to see the bacteria on microscopic level. And what eye did you prefer to see that bacteria? You are kicking a ball with your foot. What side of the foot did you prefer to kick that ball? And also, if you are catching a ball with one hand, what hand did you prefer to catch that ball? That shows your side of the brain. If you prefer the right-handed side, and your brain will be activated on the left side. So you are a right-handed person with the left side of the brain working. After you have identified the side of the brain you are working with, then you have to practice to activate the both sides of the brain. In order to activate the both sides of the brain, and you have to do the works with both hands or both foots or both eyes. You have to work with your both sides of the body to work the both sides of the brain. So how can we implement these things in real time? So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using both hands. So as an example, you have to comb your hair with the comb with your left hand. You have to brush your teeth with left hand, and then you have to kick the ball, and you have to practice writing, and you have to learn the things by using the left side of the body if you are using the right hand side before. So after you have done these things for 21 days, and now you have activated the both sides of the brain, and it is very easy for you to learn new languages, arts, or creative skills. Those kinds of things will be very easy for you to learn. And now, as the particular thing for the topic, how can we learn a new language? In order to learn a new language, you have to learn that language in that language, not in your own or native language. So if you, as an example, if you are learning English, and you have to learn that English in English, not in your native language. What I mean was, you have to find the hard words and those words meanings with that language definition, not the direct translation of that word. And the next thing you have to conduct is reading. Reading makes a man perfect. So you have to read the things what you are learning in that language, what you want to learn in that language. You have to become a good reader. Read some books, if you are watching movies, put a subtitle and read those things. And the next thing you have to do is speak that language to your friends or your family in that language. Whether you are perfect or not, just try to speak that language, and you will be more preferred when you are practicing in that language. So these things will be helpful for you to learn a new language, I hope. And if you like this video, and please click the thumbs up button, and if you have any doubts or you have to clarify anything, you can comment below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.